Assalamu alaikum everyone. So despite what's going on the market, it doesn't really look like Jasmy is looking bad at all. So we've had some few manipulations. Of course, the retest is a little bit ugly right over here. You break above this level, you came down for the first retest, bounce off here, came down, took out that stop loss as well, and you still have another wick down right there. And ever since you came down for the retest, you've just been probably just above the line with some few fake outs and some few manipulations over the line right here. So as far as it goes, you still are looking for Jasmy, which has this little bit of resistance and went to the downside, move sideways, break above, and you can still see that on the daily. You have two different closes that is still holding the line, right? So you still above the line, and if I actually bring in like that, actually, this trend line should not be a thin line. It should be more like a rectangle. So if I do actually decide to bring in a rectangle here, where's the rectangle? Where do you get it? Where do you get it? Still have yeah, here you go. So it basically is an area. So it's an area that goes on like something like that. All right. So you have been failing in the past to probably break above it. So if you look at it, this is that one zone where it has been the resistance. You've tried to kiss this or touch this area, and then you got rejected to the downside, and now you've broken above it, and you're actually inside that triangle. You're not quite above it. You still really need to just get a little bit above here and start to push up, because I believe the time you start to pump up like this all the way up to 55 and probably backtest 52 again, that's when you really leave that area, and then you go for that technical target up to 0.07. So you still are inside of the triangle of the area. You haven't quite broke above it just yet. Just notice how you were inside the triangle in here as well. You are still inside the triangle as well. We really need a break above here and a close above, a very clear close above that area. You close above this rectangle, and I think that's going to be a very bullish with a stop loss right over down here. So if you start to break up and come up here, for example, the next candles go like this, they go like that as well, then boom, you move all the way to the upside. But at least for now, I don't see Jasmy really breaking above here, but it still can break. If it's going to be bullish, it is going to break. The break is going to happen potentially. So keep an eye. If you do break above and start to close like this, I'm pretty sure that's a successful retest candidate, and then you go up to 0.07 in the future. And that's it for this quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.